I'm tracking a rain and snowstorm, and then it gets quite cold for the weekend. Home of the Brave Ballooning was started in 2020. The owners are two firefighters for a local department in Maine. They have a remote control hot air balloon. Check them out on Facebook and Instagram. And here we go into that forecast. Snow again. 0 to 1 inch in the white. So that's basically I 95, Route 1, heading all the way up Lewiston, Auburn, and Augusta. 1 to 3 inches as you get to Freiburg, heading to the western foothills, right around Bangor, heading up north into the Oxford Hills and also the Central Highlands, 3 to 6 inches of snow. This is Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Dry and mild before that with snow and rain next. And it's light to moderate, so it's going to be messy for that morning commute Thursday. And it is cold before Christmas, the coldest air we've seen so far. Here's the temperature and wind forecast. Notice those 40s tonight here on your Tuesday night along the coastline. And then the wind's going to die down, and the wind's going to be very light and variable as we get to the day Wednesday. But we will cool off just enough to get around that 34 and 33 degree mark with that light westerly breeze. And then here we go into the forecast Thursday, warming up after that storm passes, up to 40 in Portland, heading up towards Bangor, we're in the 30s. Here's the hour-by-hour Maine Futurecast. Very quiet on Wednesday, and then after sunset, here's where that blob of precip gets here. It's going to be blue is the snow, and then green's the rain. So it starts off a lot of rain. It changes over to snow all the way down to the coastline. So that's why I have up to 1 inch in accumulation, and it'll be slushy along the coastline, and more as you head inland where that 1 to 3 and 3 to 6 is. Wind chill. So this is going to be Saturday into Sunday. Watch the wind chill in Bangor. 13, okay, 12, 11, 10, yeah. Follow along, single digits. Look at Presque Isle, sub-zero as we get to Sunday morning. Millinocket -5, -6. So this is the coldest air of the season coming as we get to the weekend. Okay, Portland 8, coastline getting down single digits. So the wind chill is going to mean business. Make sure the pets come inside. It becomes cloudy on your Wednesday. A dry day, wind southwest 5 to 10. Mountains 36, inland 45, and the coast 46. Still about 10 degrees above average again, but it'll be just cold enough as we get to the forecast Wednesday night for the snow. For the Mariners, you see here seas are between 2, 3, and even 5 feet for down east. Now, the forecast, the next 14 days. Watch what happens. There's that rain and snow mix passing through Wednesday night. Then we dry out. Ocean storm misses us. It's a maritime storm because that energy doesn't combine in time. So the Canadian Maritimes get a big snowstorm this weekend. We do not. We get cold. We get dry. And then it warms up after that cold snap into Christmas with temperatures getting back up into the 40s. And then we'll see about New Year's Eve. There's a storm popping up. A lot of time to fine-tune that forecast, but I'll be breaking it down. Make sure you're following along for the latest updates. Here's the wind gust forecast the next several days. Not a lot of wind. It's not a nor'easter, not a powerful storm, so you're going to see the wind gusts are relatively light here. Wind gusty a little bit on those mountain tops and the ridge tops as we get into Thursday, but that's as the storm passes away. And then into Friday, the wind is very light. Wind gusts around single digits, not high. For Friday, you see 11 miles an hour in Bangor. Here's the forecast. Mountains, next 10 days, 36. And then we get the snow. It's all snow. And 30 Thursday, Friday 19, Saturday 15, Sunday 6. I mean, look at this, -8. Okay. Inland, you see the forecast, 39, 25, 26, starting to go down to single digits. Christmas, though, there is the warm up to 31, the low of 21. So the climb begins at the coastline, 46, 42, 31, then down to 7 for a low Sunday night, Monday 24, and then 35 Wednesday. So Christmas Day, it's not a white Christmas for most of us, but it does warm up. Temperatures start to get up. NappyCast.com, JasonNappyWeather.com. You're in the latest spot for all the updates. Make sure you are tuned in.